Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of one of the best wireless headphones that you can currently get from Amazon, and there is currently a deal going on 20%, 21% off. I will put the link in the description. So the headphones that we got here is Ugreen Studio Pro headphones, wireless headphones, and these are, in my opinion, if we talk about price, these are one of the best headphones. So let's just quickly unbox this and see. Let me just quickly take these out. And here, as you can see, we have the box Ugreen Studio Pro. Here, as you can see, comes with the hybrid active noise cancelling and 4 mic ANC. So it has 4 mic, which is also really nice. 120 hours of battery life. So guys, in my opinion, Ugreen products are awesome. Like this power bank, I've been using it for a while and it works really well. So let's see what other features we get. And here, as you can see, in 5 minutes quick charge, it has quick charge, and that can now support up to 5 hours ultra long play time, which is really nice. So we get quick charge as well, and high res audio, LDAC support. Here, as you can see, amazing guys. Let's see on the back. Here, as you can see, it mentions that it has 6.0 Bluetooth and some frequencies, which you can pause and read, by the way. So here is the model name, the product name, Ugreen Studio Pro. And charging time can take up to 2 hours if you want it fully charged, and that will give you 120 hours of playback time, which is nice. So let's quickly unbox this. Now let's open this, and here, as you can see, we have our headphones. Nothing else inside the box. So let me just quickly take out this one. And here we have our aux cable. Here, as you can see, 3.5 mm. And here is our USB type C cable. So let me just quickly open this. Here, as you can see, and the length is also good. Now let's take a look at our headphones. And yeah, it's heavy actually. It feels very premium, guys, honestly, because of the weight. Even though it's made out of plastic, but still, guys. Let me just quickly remove this plastic, and here, as you can see. So yeah, overall the build quality looks amazing, guys. So we have some papers here as well. Quick start guide, I believe, which we actually don't need. It's very easy to pair this, but you can read it if you like. So we actually don't need this one, guys, honestly. So I'm gonna put this to the side, and let's see our headphones. Here, as you can see, we have right and left side. We have volume rocker up and down, Ugreen logo. As you can see, volume up and down. We have a type C cable to charge, and we have our 3.5 mm headphone jack. And here, as you can see, we have ANC button, which you can switch between ANC and transparency mode. So it also comes with transparency mode, which is incredible, guys, in my opinion, in this price range. So, and this is made out of metal. So yeah, honestly, guys, the build quality looks amazing, and it is, by the way, giving a tough competition to Apple AirPods Max. And those are quite heavy and very expensive compared to these. So if you are looking for a cheap ANC headphones in the market, this is a really good option, guys. So also it comes with the low latency mode. So if you are playing games, you will not face any what you call latency. So guys, I'm gonna be listening to some music now and see how the sound quality is. So guys, after testing, honestly, I can say these are, in my opinion, one of the best headphones that you can get. The sound quality and the bass is amazing, and it is very loud, so you have to turn down the volume a little bit. And honestly, I'm blown away by the sound quality. I get now why these receive a really high rating on Amazon, because these are honestly worth it, guys. So Yeah, I will be testing mic quality in the future video, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video guys, please leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, click on that like button, it really helps the channel a lot, and click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks a lot for watching guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.